How to recover deleted followers request on Instagram. Firstly, you'll have to open the Instagram app and log in with your account. Alright, now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the option 3 line just at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so from here, tap on the account center. And now from here, you'll have to go the options your information and permissions. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to go the option download your information. Okay, so from here, choose the options download or transfer information. And now choose the Instagram account and click on next. Okay, so from here you'll got two options like you can download the all available information on your Instagram account or you can choose some of your information. So simply now we are doing some of our information. Okay, so now all the way you have to scroll down and find the options like followers and following. So it will be under connection section. So simply select the one and now from here click on next button. Okay, so from here you can choose the destination where you want to download this information. So you can transfer to the destination or you can download to this device. So simply I'm choosing the download to device. And now from here you can set the date of range. So simply you can choose it from here. And now from here you can choose the specific Gmail address that Instagram will notify through that Gmail when your files will be ready. So simply choose that and choose the format from here. And you can choose the media quality also. Alright, so after you've done this, you'll have to click on this create file. And now from here, you will got such interface. So it will be on the process to download your informations. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.